Today I'm going to give my hand at urban exploring, something I've always been interested in and attempted to an extent in the past, but today I'm going to be visiting a few varied locations to see if I can get into anything and see if I can find anything cool. So come along this journey with me and let us see if we can find anything interesting. What's up, everybody? And there is supposedly an abandoned dockyard down here, so that's what we're going to go check out. Alright, so we've got a bit of a walk, little bush trail here to get to this supposed abandoned dockyard. I don't really know anything of it other than the fact that it is supposedly abandoned. I don't think it's anything too major. I think it is just kind of a smaller little dockyard. So we're just going to pop down, we're going to take a look, check it out, and see if it turns out to be anything interesting. And yeah, either way, it should be fun. I love stuff by the water, so I was pretty hype about it. Yeah, and either way, it's a beautiful bushwalk here this afternoon. So yeah, it should be a good time. As you can see, it's quite a steep descent. I'm going barefoot. If you saw my latest Randonautica episodes, you'll know that things didn't go well for my footwear, so at the moment I don't really have any. So that's something I'm going to have to sort out, but I filmed that video yesterday, so that's why I haven't sorted anything out yet, if you're wondering about that. Well, so you guys, let me know, would you like to see me start a brand new channel solely for some urban type exploring? If you guys want to see it, let me know down in the comments, because it doesn't really fit in with my bush life content, so to speak. So if you guys would like to see a separate channel where I do more of it proper, or attempt to, let me know. Alright, we've kind of come down, we've got this cool structure here, whatever that may be. Huh, interesting. Whatever this structure is, it looks like it did come that way. Essentially something water may have used to run down? I'm not too sure. Let me know. Alright, so I believe the abandoned dock is supposedly that way. I'm really hoping it's something we can get into and not blocked. That's some sort of garden thing there. It's kind of random. Seems like whatever this was, some sort of water transport thing went this way. It seems this is going towards our abandoned dock, and just as I figured, it looks blocked off, but we'll go take a look. Alright, so here we are. You can see it through there. I'm not too sure on the history of this. You can see it through there. Obviously, now, there is actually a way in. We could slip in through there. The question is, now there is clearly a camera there, but as you can see, it is obviously not functional, and I don't believe there's any others. But since this is like an active walkway, I don't know if anyone would care. Okay, so we found a bit of a history thing here. You guys can pause and read that. Alright, so I've been here for like the past 20 minutes now, kind of watching all the walkers. There was like no one really here, but I guess it's walking hour now because now everyone's coming by, and I don't want to slip in if people are coming through. And sometimes they walk right up and have a little peek through, so, and there isn't really any cover for me. It's like, look how cool it is. I so badly want to check it out. It's teasing me with how easy it would be to slip through and take a look. Okay, so there was a lot of people going around. I don't know if we're going to attempt it. We'll see. But there is this big thing that I wanted to check out. Like, I don't know what this is, but it's like super cool looking. Like, check that out. Like, what the heck, man? What was it? It's huge. What is this even used for? Like, some cool stuff right here. Very cool. There's all these other cool things around. It could be part of that abandoned dock. It could be like remnants of it, of what they used there, potentially. Found this little thing here. Guess it's old because it's blocked off, but I was hoping you might be able to get a view of the ruin, but I don't think so. There's too many people and I don't think I can get in, and everyone keeps coming up to look through the fence, so I'd get spotted way too easily. So I'm gonna go give another spot a go and see if I turn up more like there. Such a shame, mate. It's such an easy looking one. But yeah, with all the people, because it's right on like a walk trail, it just makes it so difficult to do. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna do it, but you could see for the most part all of it from where I was standing. I just wish I could get in and see all the cool stuff, but go check a different spot. Maybe we'll turn up more luck there. Okay guys, we're not at the next destination yet, but the bridge coming up looks so sick. I've just got to show it. The architecture in this thing looks incredible. Like, you guys are gonna love it. It's so cool, and it looks like something from London. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, enough yippity yappeting. Look at that thing. How cool. And even the one next to it for the trains, like, you don't see that kind of stuff, man. Where is this? Why can't everything look this cool? Like, look at that. Looks like some maintenance work over there, but like, holy crap, man. Why doesn't everything look this good? Oh, this probably might connect up to where we were earlier. This river.
Yeah, it does. It's the Brisbane River.
Oh, sweet. But just look how cool that is, man. I want to like go in there. That'd be fun. But yeah, I can't do that. That's like, oh, man, what the heck? We need more architecture like that. That'd be so cool. Okay, so guys, it turns out the spot is actually under this bridge, or something like that, which is pretty cool on its own. But I'm not too sure where this apparent spot is. I'm a little confused. I'm not seeing anything around here. It's like a little park down there we could go check out, potentially. Alright, so we're down here now. It's supposedly like some house under a bridge. I don't really know. Might be the bridge itself because there is an interior to it. So we're just going to poke around down here and just see what we can see. Here's the park area, so we should be able to see something. Dang, you can walk under the bridge over there. Man. Okay, so supposedly the underneath of the bridge here is the abandoned house, apparently. Which is very interesting. So check that out, man. You can walk under the bridge over there. I want to do that. That looks sick. Yeah. Pretty sure we can walk up to this, so let's check it out. I didn't think it was by the bridge, man. This is such a cool bridge. So cool. This is definitely very cool. I don't know if we can even get in. I would presume not. But either way, just seeing this bridge is already incredible. Like, it's so cool. Coming down here, there is this kind of area through here that does go somewhere, but I don't know now if we should. Look at underneath of this. This is incredible architecture. Do want to check it out, but there are workers walking around up there, so I'd have to be careful if I do have a little sneaky peek. We'll come around this end first. This here is the abandoned structure in there. That's abandoned, and it is part of the bridge, as you can see. And this is kind of it here. You can't really access it. So yeah, there's like workers over there. So it's pretty cool to see from the outside. Holy, 2011 flood level and 1974 flood level. Just think about how underwater you'd have to be. That's probably why this place is abandoned, if I'm being honest. Is that flood level. Like, that whole first floor would have gone under. So that's probably why it's abandoned and not really working. But that's a cool little fact there. It's like, think how high the water would have been. Like, that bridge over there probably would, yeah, probably be under, yeah. Wow. It's crazy to think that all this was underwater. That's like, wow. I don't know. Like, floods and stuff just intrigue me so much. I love learning about them and seeing just water flow through places it normally wouldn't, and just how high it can get. It's all very interesting. I might take a little look in here, just quickly, see what's down there. I think it's all just worker stuff. If we look down here, yeah, I'm not gonna pop around there. There's a lot of workers. See all the currents down there. But yeah, it's not really anything back here. It's just this big thing. More of the windows. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Ugh. But yeah, I'm not going to pop around there because there's like a little camp area where all the workers have all their facilities, and I feel like that wouldn't be a good idea to walk into because they're all kind of like converging over there. It's where they when they come down from the scaffolding up there, that's where it comes down. I was watching one of them, and yeah, that's where it all went. So yeah, I'm not willing to mess with that. Well guys, this is my attempt at urban exploring here today. If you want to see more, or a channel dedicated to this specifically, or if you have any tips and tricks and things that I should avoid or be aware of, be sure to let me know. And yeah, this is a pretty cool place. Even though we can't get in at all, there used to be a family that lived in there, and they lived in there for 74 years across 3 generations, and eventually left in 2009. One of the, I think, brothers had to get craned out due to the really thin stairs on the inside. They couldn't get him down the stairs. I think he had a severe asthma attack, so they had to get craned out one of the windows. But yeah, it's a really cool piece of history there. And yeah, there's probably many more secrets about this place. But yeah, very cool, good stuff. I'd love to explore more places, actually be able to get inside. I could have probably done that dock, but there was just so many people, and some of the locals like to kick up a stink, and I don't want to be involved in that. So yeah, if you have any tips and tricks though, let me know. Yeah, this was pretty cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed this attempt. It was still fun to come.